This time I'm going to show you how to use the File Transfer Wizard. The File Transfer Wizard is a useful function built into Circuit Tools to arrange and manage your data files on your machine after you've come in from the track. All we have to do to launch the File Transfer Wizard is go up to the File tab and then select File Transfer Wizard from the menu. It's also worth noting that you can press F2 on the main keyboard to launch this function as well. So I'll give that a click. And as you can see, the File Transfer Wizard window has appeared in the center of the screen. The File Transfer Wizard will automatically scan the media folder on your SD card. Once the video and data have been found and the track identified, it will create a new folder with the track name and the date, and also a subfolder for that particular session. If you want to rename any of these folders, you can click the Change button on the right-hand side. Once you're happy with the folders, you can either click Copy to create a backup, or click Move to clear the SD card and transfer all video and data to your computer. Once this is done, Circuit Tools will open the browser window where you can select your data and load it in.